Yes, I look like a gnome. Let's all collectively have a laugh. It's a thing. Okay? It's a thing. I can't help it. But I am very tall, if that makes up for it. Um Mental health. My mental health is not great, and I think it's because I'm very stressed about my mom and how her walk back to her own physical health is not doing great. And I'm not performing optimally as a filmmaker or a writer. I seem to be able to live and take care of my mom, and I lose track of what I want to get accomplished, even though a lot of it's written down. I just haven't been doing what I've wanted to do with my life, which is to write and create films and be an artist and shoot. I even want to do installations, and I just can't seem to get out of the funk. I actually got on here to talk to y'all about how great my mental health walk is. And while it is great, I am struggling at the moment. And when I say struggling, I don't mean at the end of my ropes, an unguidable deep measure of bad mental health. It's that my goals are not being accomplished every week, and that's quite frustrating because I was a very goal oriented person when I was in college and got a lot done. Excuse me. But the truth also is, I wasn't taking care of another human being as well. I'm a caretaker for my mom, and we're very monetarily strapped and stressed because there's this strange balance that needs to be done with the amount of money that she receives in Social Security. And me living with her, I technically should have to get a job with the government's approval, but then if I get the job, then I would be the breadwinner, and they would take my mom's disability and Social Security away from her. So we're at the verge, at the very last like two steps of getting a notary signed off on some information for me to be paid to take care of her. And after that, that's amazing because that doesn't count against me living in the home. So I feel very raw right now. I don't talk about this stuff online very much, but I have to be true to myself. I've got all these things that I want to get accomplished on my cars. This is what Project Reanimate really is about me fixing my cars up. But it's the more I look at it, and since it's kind of in its infancy, it kind of feels more like I'm the thing that needs to be reanimated. Not always my cars, but maybe my love of cooking and my love of my friends and my love of psychology and mental health. Comic books. I've got a comic book that I'm reading at the moment called The Amazing Spider Man. For those of you who are new to comic books, he's a superhero. So, anyway, yeah, here I am. This is the start of a different type of Project Reanimate. I think it's going to be more about my life as somebody who has a lot of mental health training and is constantly trying to find forward momentum in their own life and their own mental health walk. So yeah, I came on here to be like, you should go get help and this, that, and the other. But the truth is that like I still need help sometimes. So hopefully you can see that there's a rawness about me and a truth in what I'm saying, and maybe that'll be the inspiration. Maybe I'm looking to the wrong place. Maybe me not getting on here and talking about how great my mental health walk is not the inspiration. It's the struggle and the victory. So, thanks for listening. I appreciate it. I was told one of my videos was too long. You can't imagine the conversation we'd have if we were sitting in front of each other. I'm a talker. I'm a writer, bruh. You're not even getting a call out. I'm just going to hang up now. Push the stop button. Project Reanimate out. Love you guys.